Hi, I'm Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater. Thanks for joining me today with another walk around. Please feel free to give me a call on my cell phone with any questions after this video, 303-875-3988. Here we are with the Sea Ray SPX 190. This is an excellent all-around boat, great family boat, added room with its 8-foot 4-inch beam and space for up to 11 people. This particular one here comes equipped with the 115 horse outboard motor, giving it plenty of power to do your water sports needs or just run around up to the sandbar. When equipped with the outboard, the engine bay becomes a huge storage compartment for all of your toys. And when folded down, there's a big sun pad. In front of the sun pad, we have a huge seating area, all forward facing. Underneath that is additional storage as well. Moving around to the port side, we have a convertible chair that turns into a sunge lounge as well, so you can face either forward or backwards. In the middle, we've got a storage locker for skis. Your captain's chair at the helm is convertible as well, so that you can stand or sit there. Throughout the boat, the fiberglass is molded with a non-skid texture. This door on the side here provides additional storage or enough room for a porta-john. And finally, going up front, you have a large area for lounging in the sun, facing forward, as well as steps to make it accessible to getting on and off the boat. If you have any other questions on this boat or any others you see online, please feel free to give me a call on my cell phone at 303-875-3988 or drop me an email at nick.hutchinson@marinemax.com. Thanks and see you next time.